Okay, so we are live. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another live stream. And yeah, let's see today. Um, Today we got a lot of volume in the market. I like I see a lot of news. Okay, we got some news at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. o'clock, and yeah, we have some other news at 16:30 p.m. Okay, so let's check the hourly. Yeah, hourly start with no top wick right here, because it's a lot of volume. Let's go on daily. So the daily is basically like so bearish. At that point, we just destroy the range upside there, and right now we also break this resistance right here. Sorry, the support right here. We are about to hit him, and the next target for me is probably these weeks right there, which is a very good area. And then after we can break it, the next area of targets are right there. Okay, so let's take a look on 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour is very bearish. Okay, we are so bearish right now. Let's put an horizontal line right here because we have a lot of issues in that area. Okay, now let's go for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so basically the 1 hour don't have a top wick as I said, but at that point right now we just touched this area right here. This area for me it's a good area of demand, like a demand zone, where the institution come and move the price so far down just to grab some liquidity and to move the price up. So in case that we don't have any top wick on hourly chart, I am looking to buy at that market, but first I need I need a confirmation. I need a confirmation, and I don't want this 1 minute time frame to close below the zone right there. Okay, so this is the top of the one. The No, sorry. So where's the top? Okay, right there, 7067. So on lower time frames, this is the top of the 1 hour candle, which has no top wick. So let's take a look and see how could we enter in a trade right there. So right now gold is so bearish. Let's take a look on weekly. Okay, weekly time frame just break the low, and right now we are in this area of support right here. But also we have such a good ways there, like for targets and things like this. Okay, let's go for the daily. As I said, daily is so bearish. All right, 2 minutes for the 30 minutes close, and then the start of a new hour, a new 30 minutes time frame right now. All right, so let's see. Probably the best thing to watch is that we have such a big wicks right there where we got some big moves up to this area right here. So the price can hit all of these wicks and then can just jump, but we have to wait. Okay, so we have to watch the statistics, because you know on 50 minutes we don't have any bullish candle, so it went just straight down. So, and if this is not a move and an area of demand where we can buy in the market, in this market right here, well, I think I'm not going to enter in a trade because it will be probably too risky to do that, of course. But again, we have to wait and to wait the candles to close. the thing is that we don't have a week on 1 hour. So for me, this is such a question mark here. So yeah, okay, let me open the MetaTrader there, take a cup of coffee. Alright, so 1 minute until the news. Okay, alright, let's take a look on GJ. Okay, GJ just retest the area right there. Um, the area of like, yeah, it was a pretty good area of retracement. There we should see, I don't know, probably a good drop again if we are not taking this high on daily. But yeah, let's take a look on gold. 1630 right now. Yeah, on 5 minutes is just bearish, yeah, for sure. But okay, let's see. Okay, so let's take a look of for the news. So crude oil inventories. Okay, we got bad numbers. So bad numbers. This is like bullish for gold. Bad numbers for US dollar. Um, yeah, it's pretty much. So I don't know. Let's just see. Let's see the markets there. Okay, let's go there on 5 minutes. Okay, so right now we need to break these highs right there, forming on 1 minute. Based on 1 minute, we need to break these, and yeah. So based on the news, just on the news, I entered in a position right there, like okay, probably up there, but it's just a speculation based on the volume of the news that we have very bad numbers here. They expected 1.9 million and they got 3.3 million down probably. Let's take a look here. Okay, so actual greater than forecast. So the actual is 3.3, which is a bad number, and forecast was the 1.9 million. So yeah, we got some bad numbers there. Actually, at the bad numbers, gold should move up, and my theory is that it went straight down for to grab some liquidity, but we never knew. The moment when I start to practically just cut all the thing is when it comes and close below this area right there, because it's crucial to stay above it. Or yeah, there's another thing that on lower time frames we should just form like such a support here for to continue up. But there's one thing that I want to see a double bottom there, okay, in this area right there. So yeah, at that point we are bearish at all time frames, and also we have not clean wicks to the left hand side. on higher time frames. So these weeks right there are not so good. We are in a very bad area right there. And yeah. Okay, if this terminal candle take the low, I'm going to cut the position, and then I'm gonna wait for um, confirmation on higher time frames or somewhere here, or sales below this area right there. Okay, so cut as soon as possible if the market isn't in your direction. Here, this is the thing. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, once on 5 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes looks very pretty bearish at that point right there. So let's just cut it. Let's just cut the position. Yeah, well, it's bad. Small loss there, like nothing. Wow. Okay, we need some confirmations. Okay, so when I see these, many times I saw these kind of retracements. So for these retracements, there are two possible ways to deal with. First one is to wait for a correction and then to sell the market. And the second one is to wait for the confirmation in such a good areas and to buy uh, in this um, in this downtrend. But this is very risky. This is very risky. We have like 30 pips for this area right there. Yeah, so I'm not going into any sales below this area or in that area right here. I just don't like it. Probably many cells there below it, below this level right there. So many cells below this one were such a pretty good deal. And target for top, I think this one right there. Yeah, these are like very good things. Okay. Yeah, when we start to form such very good things there, let's see. Let's see how many pips we have there, like 16 pips. Yeah, it depends on the higher time frames, how we are about to close and things like this. 1 minute is pretty bullish right now. Let's give it a chance right there. Okay. Oops. Oopsie poopsie. Christmas. Yeah, right now we are just ranging on 1 minute. It's crucial the break, upside or downside, and also the closure for 50 minutes. And okay, let's see. Okay, at my brokerage, the 5 minutes candle closed bullish, small bullish candle, but on the trending view on Wanda, it's like a small bearish candle. Okay, yeah, there's not a big impact there. Probably after the 20 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Let's just say 8 o'clock would be better. So yeah, the big news were around the 3 o'clock there, because at that time we just got okay, got 50%, and I exit the position right there. Yeah, there was a drop there. Um, let's see how we could enter in it. Yeah, probably after this big candle right there, it stops above this range or above this body right there. Yeah, it could work it out. Or like a 60 pip drop, something like this. Okay. Yeah, at that point, I need a candle closure on 15 with a like a bearish, bullish. Sorry, Carol. Because right now we just enter in an area where there were many rejection, and we right here. This is not a very good area for to enter sales, because we have trouble here. So I don't want to trade in that area. This is why I took 2 buys, like small risk buys, but it actually don't work out. It won't go in that direction. OAGG is straight bullish right here. Also, we enter in a rejection area on GJ2. So yeah, actually we need a good closure above these, and probably then a retest, and we can continue moving up. But right now we enter in a very good area of rejections. Actually, 50 minutes is about to close, so the next target for GJ is up there, or actually up there. Yeah, you can have like many entries around 20 pips and 40 pips, the last target. It's also too high to buy it right now. 50 minutes to close the hourly candle. Okay, Okay, so yeah. To be honest, I've seen that many times when we are about to enter in this kind of ranges, gold just filled the whole range from one push. But I think it's too deep. Okay, okay, it just dropped. It's like deeply to continue that down. It's around 8, 80 pips. Or let me check, let me check. Yeah, 80 pips. Yeah, it's such a such a big range there. So for a continuation of a drop, I don't know. Right there we got a spike down, which was like a 20 pip spike. Okay, let's wait patiently. Hourly could probably close with no top wick if this is not about to turn bullish in case of. It's not 40 pips there at that point right there. Okay, let's see this 1 minute. Okay. Let's give it a chance again. Right, so it depends. So we had a 50-minute candle break above this high. So yeah, it depends on how strong uh, this can go up. Like we have clean traffic between this level and that level right there, and it can also make the top wick on 1 hour candle, but yeah, we have to wait. Stops are above there, below there. Let's put a position right there. Okay, the position is taken on 1 time frame. Up there, yeah, we have the stops there. Probably the target is just right just above the 1 hour candle, because I really want to see the top wick form there, but we have to wait. We have to wait also for the 5-minute candle. The close on 5 minutes is like all what we need. Okay, right here the 1 minute close with no bottom wick on Wanda. On my broker it has a wick. I don't have wick on this bullish candle, but on that one I had. Okay, it got some issues there because we also have a zone right there on higher time frames. So yeah, this is why we have some trouble to break this. Okay, let's see. Okay, actually 5-minute close, strong bullish right now. I don't like the 1 minute though, but the 5 minute it's closing pretty good. This one closed bullish, 5-minute close bullish. Well, now it depends if we're taking out above this high or not. But yeah, we have to wait. All we have to do right now is to wait. I'm actually 7 pips in profit, but probably I'm going to cut 50th break even. I don't know how far this 5-minute will go. It's a big candle. It's a big candle. Actually, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4. For the last 4 candles, this one is actually pretty big. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. The last 6 candles, this one is like so high, like pretty much. Let's see if we can break above this level right there. Okay, we break it, and we close below it, while we continue pushing up. Okay, let's see 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look on this 1 minute. How it is about to close. 30 seconds. Okay, if he got trouble, it got trouble to close above this. There's a problem because we need a closure above this level right here. So yeah. Okay, yeah, it goes bearish. I'm going to cut 50% of the break even. Once it goes to the break even, I'm going to cut that percentage off of the position. Just secure some, like to not risk it that much. Okay, I cut 50% right now. Now my risk, I was 2% risk, and now I am around, I don't know, probably point, I don't know, 0.7, 0.8. Alright, let's take a look. Actually, the stops are pretty good below this level right there, this week, 37 pips. But we need we need a candle closure on higher time frames, like 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So yeah, this also can be probably like a code, I don't know, like a retest right there, but we have to wait at that point. Told you we have to close about these levels there. All right. Okay. Well, I think there's a pretty good way for this 50 minutes to continue moving up on GJ. Okay, after taking the high, 5 minutes close, bullish above these level. Yeah, above these highs. With some volume, it can go even more. But yeah, it's around 17 o'clock, so there will be hourly closure and 30-minute closure, 15-minute closure. So yeah, probably it can get a retest or something like this. And at that point, probably I am going to exit the position right there if these 5 minutes just start to push below its own low. Because I don't know, I just want to see this one straight up. But in case of the breakout of the high, I'm going to move the stops right there. And yeah, this is the plan. Because once it breaks the low, there is no more opportunities to buy there. Like this one can be let's call it the retest and the confirmation. Okay, so yeah, all on the 1 minute. If 1 minute can break, oh sorry, if 1 minute can break the candles right there, okay, and if it can close above it, it will be good. But it's we got some issues there. Oh yeah, let's take a look on GJ. Oh, okay, GJ went straight up, man. Like there's something in the markets. We got some news. Okay, gold start to move so aggressively. So yeah, I think it can be like the break of these. All right. So is the entry and the stop. Okay, 3 more minutes for the 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, this thing is like so cool. The 15 minutes. Let's give it a chance. So I'm going to move the stop right there and to see how the 15-minute will react. The 30-minute also how it will be, how it can react. 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. Because here's the thing, we have to see a good correction for this downtrend because we don't got a correction there, so we went straight down. So right now we need a correction. We need a correction somewhere. And yeah, let's wait. Let's see what we can do. Okay, 1 more minute. Let's take a look on 1 minute time frame. Kind of indecision right there. This is why I'm saying that if this range is breaking down, there is no way to enter in it. But if it's breaking upside, well, we got 15 pips. 15 pips to just okay right there. Okay, 7 o'clock just starts and just open. Let's see. Okay, so at my brokerage, I have the top week of 1 hour there, so I got it. But yeah, based on the analysis, we just closed bullish on two lower time frames, which can indicate a good react of the market to make a correction, but we don't know. At that point, I'm thinking about how can I just minimize the risk that I'm already in, like in the trade. So yeah, I have to wait. Of course, I have to.